Yeah, my name's David Den. I'm based here in the Atherton Tableland, about an hour west of Cairns, and our business is called Dave's Dams, and we specialise in building dams and bulk earthworks and larger landforming jobs. So we've been based here in the Tableland for about 4 years, but in the industry about 25 years. Prior to this, we're up in the Kimberleys working, so yeah, it's good. We're a smaller firm. I work on my own, so we do everything from soil sampling to design, and then we actually do the job ourselves. So this is a 150 meg dam here at Dimboola. We're going to get overland flow to fill it. There's a mixture of clay and sand and bulldust. We've worked a plan here where we'll strip the topsoil, all the topsoil off, and then move the clay around once we dig the hole to line it with the right clay. And everything going well, it hold water. So the K-Tec is very reliable. The running costs are absolutely minimal. We just don't touch it compared to other buckets. Yeah, it's a big, tough machine, and we put it in some really tough situations with rock, and it just bounces back, and that's what we like about it. It's tough. Yeah, Pat down there, he was the original guy I dealt with. He was great to deal with. I found him extremely honest, and you can pick that a mile of business, so to me I trusted him straight away, so there was no drama. We just went ahead with the deal, and he had his price, and we worked it out, and it was all done. So the backup has been great. We haven't needed a lot of backup. Parts have generally been in stock or whatever we've needed. K-Tec cutting edges are dramatically cheaper than anything locally. That's just the way it is. So I'm a one-man show. It's a small operation, so I couldn't justify a dozer. So we wanted rippers. We wanted rippers that would be able to handle rocks and stumps without tearing them off or damaging the drivetrain of the machine or the bucket. So these rippers here are set up with accumulators, which I can dial the pressure in via a joystick and a screen in the cab and virtually lock them up if I want. The rippers will just slowly move out and roll out over the rock with no jarring on the machine, and it's just fantastic. So we're really wrapped with them. Yeah, they're a fairly heavy, very robust built item on the back of the machine, and we had zero issues. We've done 3,500 hours. There's been no issues at all with them. Dealing with K-Tec in our type of operation, I haven't found a scraper there that would meet our needs. So we knew what it could do. We didn't even bother looking anywhere else. We knew what we wanted. We knew what K-Tec offered, particularly the 1233. It was robust, so we just stuck with what we know, and it works well. We haven't had an issue with the K-Tec in 3,500 hours, and we love them.